boys and girls. I hope you had a great spring break and did as much fun things as you can, even though with our circumstances right now, it's hard not being out of the house too much, but hope you still had some fun. I wanted to hop on and talk to you guys for just a little bit about school, what's going to be happening with school. So we are not allowed to come back to our actual Manatee school, but next Monday, we're going to start virtual school, which is really exciting for me and for you guys because you get to stay at home in your pajamas and learn. And it's going to be great. You're going to see lots of videos of me just like this, teaching things and explaining things. And today I wanted to show you guys a little bit about your Launchpad. So we use our computers a lot in class when we have them, the cart. And you guys know how to add an app, but I wanted to talk to you about a different app to add that we haven't used before. So there's an app called Raz-kids, which I have been wanting all year, but it costed a lot of money, so I never bought it. But it's free right now for the rest of the year because everybody's doing virtual school. So I'm going to show you, you can see my desktop right now, and I'm going to show you how to, sorry, I'm trying to figure out, there we go. I'm going to show you how to add an app again for those who forgot. So on your Launchpad, and I'm on Preston's, by the way, because you were first an ABC order, so you were the lucky winner, so you'll already have yours on there. But you're going to go to the plus sign up at the top, and it automatically defaults to this Brevard Public Schools. I want you to click over here to App Library, and then in the search engine, you're going to type Raz, R-A-Z, and it's going to go ahead and auto-populate here. So I want you to just click on that, and then press Add. Once you've done that, you can X out, and then here you have Raz-kids now on your Launchpad. So we're going to click on that, and this is a great tool that I can assign you books, and you can read any other books you want. And right now, Reading Counts is not open for you to do at home. So this is kind of going to replace a little bit of Reading Counts. And it's not any book that you can read and take a test on, but there's a lot of books on here. So once you click on Raz-kids, you're going to go right here to Kids Login. Click on Kids Login. And, let me log out because I was already on his. So I'm not sure if you will see this when you log on or if you're going to have to search for me. So you can type in my name, or my username on here is Jen Custer 622. So there should be an option to choose me as a teacher, and then everybody's name is listed here. You're going to click on your name. So I'm on Preston, so I'm going to click on Preston. And then your password, I set everybody to have the same password. So everybody's going to click on the apple. So you click on the apple and then press go. And then this is your Raz-kids. So Reading Room is, if I click on Reading Room, there's lots of different books here that I can read. And they're all on your level. So, when I pull you to my table and we read individually to find out what your reading level is. So this one says level Q, okay? So he can read these books. He can go to view all, and these are all books that Preston should be able to read on his level, okay? So you can listen to the book being read to you, which is great sometimes, and I would like you to do maybe the second read. But the first time you read it, you're just going to click right here, the book, and it'll take you to the book, and you're going to read it. Okay, you can click through here, and there's all these different things up here. So this microphone, you can actually record yourself reading the book so I can listen to it. These are different tools, so you could circle something or highlight something. You could make a little sticky note if you read something interesting. You could add new words to like a journal here, or write reflections about the book. So all that can be done in your reading room. So I'm going to go back to just reading. If Miss Custer gives you an assignment, so I assign you a book, that's going to be under my assignment. So I assigned him Extreme Animals so that he could read this story. After he reads the story, there's going to be a quiz. Notice the question box right there. If you can see it, is not lit up. It's kind of dark because he hasn't read the book yet, so he can't take a quiz on it yet. Okay, so this is really going to help practice your reading comprehension at home when you read a book and then take a quiz on it. Okay, and parents, real quick, because the video is going to end in a few seconds. If you go up here to the parent section, green, and click there, you can request access so you can see exactly what I can see for your child. How many books they're reading, how well they're doing on their quizzes, and that kind of stuff. So just fill in your first name, last name, and your email, okay? And I think that's all for now. So I want you guys to make sure you get this